That's why we are just thinking. Let the other side come.
Yes, yes. Obliged.
Yes, here in this case, if your lordship looks at the sale deed,
I'll go dismiss.
page 17, this is a sale deed. My name is mentioned in the sale deed as the owner of the property.
Dismiss कर दिया उसको.
My case is that it was a case of impersonation. That is my case in my plaint. So, when I am pleading fraud and impersonation, section 17 would apply. And from the date of knowledge, it would come in. And from that, I have filed it within limitation.
Notice करना.
But it cannot be done in 711 stage.
Issue notice. You're issuing notice.
Yes, I am grateful.
Similar matters we have missed. We
My
have
lord,
dismissed
sir.
similar matters.
Yes, my lord.
8.
May please your lordship kindly adjourn the matter.
No. Where is the question of adjournment?
If
Don't be so casual. Just ask and ask. Come and ask for
the
adjournment.
senior is
Do such things.
the
If you
senior
tell your senior, I will not do it, sir.
sir, kindly adjourn.
And the senior can't ask you to do that. Just come and ask for adjournment.
He's
Pass-
well sick. Yes.
Passing out over, get ready and come. 9, item 9. No, he is suppressed. That does not. That's right, correct. He suppressed that fact. Pass over.
In 10, I appear for the DISCOM, the state DISCOM. This is completely wrong.
Parallel operation charge.
And just note two things. Parallel operations, they accept that they are connected. Technically, physically, they are connected. They accept that there are huge benefits.
Nothing but grid support charge only.
Only ground on which is
This is
formally they don't apply. So
This is
de facto they get.
Yeah, you keep on increasing the jargon more and more. It's a grid support charge only.
Correct. It's a grid support charge. They are connected to the grid and they get benefits. Their written submissions admit factual connection, but they say the impugned order reversing an order in my favor holds that because they formally did not opt for it, they are excused from all the charges. Now see the 3 pages, but just see that admission by them. Turn to page 46 first, 42 first, page 42. It's a huge loss to me, Manas. 40 of them, 493 crores. Nobody is paying a single penny and getting the benefits. Just turn to that benefits also, Manas.
Formal option.
Come to 42, Manas. Please come to 42. My lord, take 42.
We'll issue notice. Take notice.
So that's one, Manas. Second thing is, in fairness, at least going forward, they must pay POC charges. Arrears are 493. Arrears are 493 crores. 50% of that I am asking, subject to my lord's discretion. So I am saying, well,
let notice go, we'll see later.
yes. So well, just appreciate the dynamics, their lordship will decide. 493 for the past, not a penny. No guarantee. For the future, they are going away clean because I can't disconnect. With this judgment, I can't disconnect for the future also.
And they will not apply. They are not applying.
And just see the benefit. Maybe 2 minutes. Lordship will see the benefits they are drawing. Just turn to page 76. Just for 1 second.
It's about the.
They are drawing all benefits. And what they have got away on is a formal application I am not made.
They have not.
Turn to 76. But
We'll examine it.
We never
Let them apply.
File your,
some equity should.
file your counter and interim order, we will pass orders.
Yes. Lordship may must keep that order alive. Keep it on notice on the interim also. And keep that option alive early in January.
Issue notice on
Early
the
in
main as well as.
Early in January.
Application. Just let them respond to that, then we'll.
Deeply
We'll do that.
Well, early in January, please give an actual date. Manas.
Yes.
Deeply.
10th date, any date, maybe.
Excuse me. Your Lordship, in this case, the recorded tenant died without any legal heirs, and the revenue authorities decided in the favor of the plaintiff.
Option का नहीं हुआ.
Your Lordship,
Right क्या है ना? Notice.
Lordship, stay of the impugned order.
What is the stay?
Your Lordship,
Okay,
I will be
it's
evicted from
only
the
on a
premises.
principle, that's all. By virtue of this, what will happen?
Your Lordship, I may be evicted from the suit property in question, Your Lordship, that's why.
You are the state.
Your Lordship,
What do you mean by evicted? Eviction. Which item are you appearing? 11. Where is the question of eviction? Where is the question of eviction? All through it's gone. Anyway, take notice, take notice. We will see later when other side comes.
Your Lordship, item 12, I'm requesting that we have to file some additional documents. And Your Lordship, other connected matters are coming up on 5th of January, Your Lordship. These are all
We'll post along with them,
Yes, Your Lordship.
post along with other connected.
Still the
We'll
award.
issue notice in that. Where are you? We are issuing notice. All right. Post on issue notice.
Your Lordship has dismissed the SLP with the observation that they may recover the amount from the
It's not a
contractor.
contempt of Supreme Court order. We only
They
dismiss
have not
SLP.
complied even though.
You
for
don't
the
come
last
here when we dismiss an SLP in contempt. You go to the
Malad,
primary
then
court
liberty
for
may be granted
implementation
to
of the order.
move the High Court. Malad. Liberty may be granted to move.
Permission to withdraw to move the High Court. Dismissed is withdrawn with permission to move
Liberty.
appropriate court.
Item 14 mutual assistance procedure is only for that particular year.
Similar matters were dismissed.
On delay, was dismissed.
Same identical.
Deeply obliged.
Same order, same order.
Great.
In item 15, I'm being led by senior advocate. My lords, he is connected on.
May I, my
Similar
lords,
matters. 15.
Similar matters, your lordships have
Similar
dismissed.
matters we have dismissed.
My lords, kindly permit me to only make one sentence, my lords. I am a purchaser of the property during the pendency of the suit. However, my lords, from 1970, my predecessor is in possession of the property. And my lords, the court now, High Court very strangely holds that it is for the authorities to decide whether defendant is still entitled to hold the property or not.
Same order.
Before that is done, my lords, I am now directed to hand over possession.
Common judgments, very same judgments, SLPs are dismissed by the court.
My lords will kindly see page 31, my lords, the finding is completely contrary, in fact, unknown to law. The High Court.
I'm telling you the identical matters.
Yes, I am aware, my lords. I am only trying to impress that probably my.
Aware of it?
I am aware of that, my lords. These are two.
You are already aware. All right, thank you.
May I, my lords, then request your lordships to permit me to withdraw this and move the Honorable High Court for review, my lords. This finding is completely
Dismissed is withdrawn.
with
Next.
liberty to seek
Whatever.
appropriate.
There is no prohibition against filing it again.
My lord, if your lordship.
Not necessary. Next.
Great.
My lords, this matter emanates from the same identical matter which this honorable bench has.
Post along, issue notice post.
Much obliged.
Malats. Matter emanates from the lease sale agreement that I entered into with the Tamil Nadu Housing Board way back in September 91, Malats. On the condition that after paying 168 installments of 1,405 rupees, I will be the owner of the said property. Subsequent to that, Malats, after a year, in November 92, I took a loan from the respondent for 1,23,000 and I gave possession of the said property to her on the rent of, orally agreed upon rent of.
Validated, right? Subsequently, the allotment is validated.
Yes, Malats.
The agreement of sale is 2002.
Yes.
Sale deed is
2000
2009. No, 1992 is the agreement. November 92.
Yes, the sale deed is.
So he
2000.
becomes the owner
Yes,
in
Malats.
2009.
Yes, Malats.
So therefore, the sale is, you can't say that the agreement of sale is invalid.
Malats, it was particularly that agreement was only, it was a blank sheet of paper with my signatures.
The fact of it, purpose and object, all the courts have held against you.
They have, Malats, but on the,
Remains.
they have somehow taken the possession of the receipts with the respondent to be valid claim that the respondent has paid all the installments merely because the installments, the receipts are in the possession of the
That's the only, everything revolves around the question of who paid. And the facts are all courts have held that the payment is made.
Malat,
There's
my
no
only
scope for us to get into this because it's pure finding, it all relies on finding of fact.
yes, but the only finding of
Constantly
fact
held by all the courts on that. You can't take a different view in the matter. Sorry.
is the only thing that they consider is that the respondent holds all the receipt. The
Fine.
receipts are in my favor.
Thank you. Dismissed.
Much obliged.
18.
My lord. My lord, High Court, my lord, interferes in a concurrent finding of fact. My lord, without your answering the question of law. Two things, my lord, all the issues, my lord, where the High Court has come to a different conclusion other than the trial court and first appellate court have been answered. Please come to page 21, my lord. All the issues have been answered by the appellate court. For the first time, High Court makes out a case on its own.
Proof is on. They put it on the ground that the burden of proof is on.
Yes, burden of proof, my lord, on all issues. I have discharged. Every finding of the High Court, there is an answer and I have discharged. And High Court, my lord, the first time reappreciate the evidence. 41-31, my lord, assuming against me for a say that 41-31, my lord,
we will issue notice. We will issue notice.
Interim order status quo regarding not creating third party interest, my lord.
Status quo.
Oblige.
May it please your lordships.
May I seek a passover? I'm on caveat. Mr. Puvaya is leading.
Lord, your lordships have interpreted 86(1)(b), both Justice Gavai and then my Lord Justice Narasimha. 86(1)(b) gives the regulator, the commission, all powers to regulate every aspect of power purchase. Commission here holds, I have the jurisdiction, and says the premium is bad. The APTEL says commission has no jurisdiction.
Not mentioned in the PPA.
Abipan?
PPA doesn't mention about it, is what this.
No, PPA is subject to 86(1)(b).
There's no such provision in the PPA.
No such provision in the PPA. Amended PPA also, there's no provision. And then the Singareni Collieries charges a premium, which the commission says, I have jurisdiction to regulate the entire electricity sector. If you add a premium, today is adding a premium of 20% and 30%. Tomorrow you can add a premium of 40% or 50%. It will be passed on to the consumer.
But then so far as the